Are you struggling with persistent mucus buildup in your lungs? Whether it's due to a cold, flu, allergies, or a chronic condition like asthma or bronchitis, excess mucus can be uncomfortable and lead to many health concerns. While medications can help, many people are turning to natural remedies for relief. These herbs are not only effective but also backed by centuries of traditional use and modern scientific research. Here, we'll explore the top herbs that can help clear mucus from your lungs, their unique benefits and best ways to include into your diet plan. Why herbs for mucus relief? Herbs have been used for thousands of years to treat respiratory issues. They work by loosening and expelling mucus, expectorant properties, reducing inflammation in the airways, fighting infections with antimicrobial properties, strengthening the immune system. Herbs are easy to incorporate into your daily routine through teas, tinctures, or even cooking. Top herbs to clear mucus from your lungs. Peppermint. Peppermint is a powerful herb known for its ability to clear congestion and soothe the respiratory tract. It has an active compound, menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant and helps to break down mucus and make it easier to expel. It relieves sinus congestion, soothes sore throats and reduces coughing. Add a few drops of peppermint essential oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a well-known herb for its decongestant properties. It contains a compound called eucalyptol, which helps break down mucus and ease congestion. Inhaling eucalyptus oil or drinking eucalyptus tea can help clear mucus from the lungs. It boosts immunity and acts as a natural antiseptic. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial herb. It also contains compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have expectorant properties that help loosen and clear mucus. It reduces inflammation in the airways, relieves coughing and sore throat, and strengthens the immune system. Drink soothing tea by adding fresh ginger to hot water. Chew small pieces of fresh ginger for quick relief. Thyme. Thyme is a potent herb that has been used for centuries to treat respiratory conditions. It contains thymol, a compound that acts as an expectorant and antimicrobial agent. It clears mucus from the lungs, fights bacterial and viral infections, and soothes coughs. Take thyme tea or add thyme to soups or stews for a medicinal boost. Licorice root. Licorice root is a natural expectorant that can help loosen and clear mucus from the lungs. It contains compounds like glycyrrhizin and flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties that help soothe the lungs and airways. Drinking licorice root tea or taking licorice root supplements can help ease congestion and coughs. Oregano. Oregano is a powerful herb with antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It fights respiratory infections, reduces inflammation, and clears congestion. Drink oregano tea or add fresh oregano to your meals. Add oregano oil, diluted, to a carrier oil and apply it to your chest. Mullein. Mullein contains compounds like saponins and flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the lungs and airways. It is a natural expectorant that can help loosen and clear mucus from the lungs. It helps clear mucus from the lungs and reduces coughing. Drinking mullein tea or taking mullein supplements can help ease congestion and coughs. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and airways, boosts immunity, and fights infections. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is a natural demulcent that can help soothe and protect the mucous membranes in the lungs and airways. It contains compounds like mucilages, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and congestion. Drinking marshmallow root tea or taking marshmallow root supplements can help clear mucus from the lungs. Sage. Sage is a natural herb that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and airways. It contains compounds like thujone and borneol, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the lungs and airways. Drinking sage tea or adding sage to your meals can help clear mucus from the lungs. Tips for using herbs safely. While herbs are natural, it's important to use them responsibly. Consult a healthcare provider if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Start with small doses to see how your body reacts. Avoid overuse, as some herbs can have side effects in large quantities.